Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a few days, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I wasn't feeling well for a few days, but I'm doing better now. And I'd like to thank everyone who sent me well wishes and prayers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for doing that. So I'm on today now to do a beach theme decor for you guys. So let's get into the items that I'll be using for this DIY. Okay, we have this round glass candle holder from the Dollar Tree. And we have our candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. And we have these seashells here that I got from the Dollar Tree also. And I have this vase that I got from Dollarama. And I have this picture frame here that I got from Dollar Tree. It's 8 by 10. And we have our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Our flower mesh, which you can get from Amazon. And I have these pearls here that you can get from Dollarama. And I have some flowers here from Dollarama also. And we have our E6000. And our tools. And our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by adding some of the bling wrap to our candle holder tray here. And we're going to be using our glue gun. And now we're going to be adding some seashells to our tray. Since we have blinged it out and all done, we're just going to add the seashells going all the way around with our glue gun. You can use your E6000, but just to go fast, I'll be using the glue gun. And now we're just going to use the flower from our flower bling wrap and go right around the seashells. And now we're going to use our E6000 and our glue gun and add our candle holder stick to the bottom of the tray. And now for our next DIY, we'll be using this vase and we're going to add the seashells going around the bottom part of our vase. Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here? Tell me, why isn't he here? Now we're going to take our pearl wrap and we're just going to measure it around the vase and then cut it out and add it to our vase. And now we'll be adding our flower bling going around our vase also. And then we're going to be adding our vase to the candle holder with E6000 and some glue gun. But first we're going to add some more blings to the seashells. Now for our next decor item, we'll be using the bling wrap and our picture frame. We're just going to remove the back of the picture frame. This little tab here, we don't need it, so we're just going to take it off. And then we're going to take out the paper and stuff that are inside the picture frame. Now we're going to use this piece of paper and we're going to glue our mesh wrap to it. Now I'll be using these 4 stones that we have here that you can get from the Dollar Tree and adding to the back of our frame so that it will be, give it a little rise. And now we're going to add some seashells to our tray just to, bling it out and make it look very nice. I'll be adding the seashells to the four corners. And now we're just going to add some of our little bling flowers to our design. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our glam beach decor. Yeah, I think it turned out very nice. I love how the candle holder turned out. Very nice. And the tray too. Look at the tray all blinged out and nice. With the seashells. I love how it looks. And this vase here is lovely with the pearls, the seashells, and the bling flower wrap. Oh, it's so nice. And here's how it looked with the flowers and the candle in it. Doesn't it look lovely, you guys? I think it looks very nice. This display can be used anywhere. I placed it in the washroom, but it can be placed anywhere throughout your home. I think it looks very nice. I love how it looks with the candle inside. Now, I like the beach theme decor, but I have to add my glam. Yes, this is my version. As I call it, a glam beach theme decor. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY for you guys to do for your home. And don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think about this. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.